David from Plastic Forest. Thank you for buying a mini wheel stop. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to install. Simple instructions are located here on the label. But first of all, park your car in the right position in the garage. Make sure you've got enough room for the garage door to close and that you've got enough room in front of the car as well that you're not going to clock any of the kids' bikes. Then what you need to do is find the end that's got the direction. There's a little red arrow here, you face that towards the tyre. So what you do is you put it down, we don't remove the adhesive at this stage, we then slide it up against the tyre nice and firmly, and then once we've got it in position, looks great with a little fluorescent marker hanging out the side, looks spectacular at night time when you're driving in the garage. Then with a pencil, just mark the back of it and the side of it, just lightly, and now what we're going to do is we're going to reverse the car back, and then we're just going to give it a quick spray, and then we'll be able to put the adhesive on. You've reversed the car back out of the way. What you need to do is lift up the mini wheel stop and give the area a thorough clean. But what you might find is when you clean it, the lines might come off. So if you just grab a little bit of masking tape, and then that way you can sort of find the exact position that your lines are. Spray it liberally, give it a good wipe, allow it to dry, and we'll come back in a moment. Now that the area where we're going to place the mini wheel stop is clean and dry, we have to remove the adhesive backing tape. The instructions need to be peeled off, which is a sticker, and then there's another sticker which is underneath. So you might find there's two stickers you need to remove. So if you just pull those off, and then what you do is position the mini wheel stop in the position that you want it to go into, line it up, making sure that the arrow is facing forwards towards the car. If you've got it going the direction, the little logo is facing away from you in this case. Give it a good push down there. Now that you've pressed down on it and given a good adhesive bond there, you can remove the masking tape simply and easily. Don't forget to allow 24 to 72 hours before you start driving your car up onto it to allow that adhesion to bond properly.